What it do, you guys? Welcome back to one of the videos. You're probably wondering, what am I doing? I actually put some wheels on my daily with one of my cars, and I'm rubbing pretty bad. I don't know if you can see right here. So I'm gonna teach you guys how roll your fenders. Let's get it cracking. Oh shit. So for step one, you're gonna wanna jack up your car. Put it on jack stands if you want to. Step two, you're gonna want to take your lug nuts off, take your wheels off. Step three, you're gonna want to adjust the roller and then tighten them on with your lug nuts. Step four, you're gonna want to heat up your fenders, and please, on this step, heat up your fenders really good or you will chip your paint. Touch the fender, check if it's hot enough. Step five, you're gonna want to roll the fenders little by little, and proceed that process for all four sides. You're gonna want to put your wheels back on. Now, step six, you're gonna want to lower your car. Step seven, look at the glory you just did and have a good day. And that's how easy it is to roll your fenders. Hey yo, catch you guys in the new video.